Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Myntri katanat kaplating ka kasor karpedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman ha ka arpautrik Wahïajer leo kala Plie ya ka Surok Jawai nartiang kediap khanduli kabajngai san khandai point khandai san kilometer ya kabala bay pisa da ka New Development Bank ha ka Jingnoh kabala antat san khandai point sau pra klur tingka ha madan yelekai Wahïajer Multi Sports Complex Stadium Wahïajer West Jnkk Hills District ha ka jingi dan lang u Chief Secretary ka jilla u Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed IAS u simbun Myntri rangba ka jilla u ba sneu bhalang dhar u Myntri katanat ka kot ka khia u ba wailat miki shila u Myntri katanat pule puthi u ba lakmen rumbui u D. Vijay Kumar IAS u Commissioner bat kiwe ki reu paukman ha ka jing priang sobha ya ka Nirmala Sitharaman Shagathan uba sneu bhalang dhar ulapen pau ya ka jing songu halor ka jing wan Jngnoh Jnkk bat ya ru ya ka Jingnoh Synniang Jnkk kum ka Myntri katanat platingka Jongkari India bat dak bapen pau ba ka jila Meghalaya kalayo jing mentoi shibun hapo ka jing elam ka Jnkk ula kedo ya ka jing tei ya ka madan ya lekai Wahïajer Multi Sports Complex Stadium lingba ka jingbei pisa Jnkk sorkar pedeng kum ka nuksa wa kongsan Jongkaroi kapar Jnkk sorkar pedeng ka Myntri katanat ka plating ka sorkar pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman kalaya keren ru bat ki samla puli Jnkk kyang nangba Government College Jawai ha ka ba kala jubab ik jingkali Jnkk bat pensluriki bakin board ya ka thong Jnkk da ka jing IT lot bat ka jing shania kalaya kenduru ya ki samla ya lekai football grassroot Jnkk Wahïajer center nangta kalale Jngnoh ya ka temple Shri Ma Jayanti bat hadin pat kalale Jngnoh ya ki maubena monolith ki badon ha kashnong nartiang
The pottery, we are going to the pottery village. This is from here. This India is the textile which we are operating. Further from the others, we have to take it there.
From our when we are producers. Yeah, with the seed. Yeah, this is pure kadang ini 7 plus cartooning.
Some if you want to buy it.
You get a piece. Yeah, this is a little stronger. Yeah, stronger than this. No, I didn't know. I was.
This will be the first union's finance minister who visits the Jnkk region. So, on behalf of people of Jnkk, Madam, we express our gratitude to you. We saw your actions since you took as finance minister, government of India. The amount of help, the support you have been support to my states is uncountable. Even this video is partly from Saski. And then last, Meghalaya Game we host here, it really been a success. On the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi, and also on the leadership of young Chief Minister Hima. Our state is moving ahead. And we have seen, Madam, for the last few years, especially under the NDA governments of India, the way how you show example to us as a state leaders, the way how you accept our proposal, the way how you teach us how to move forward, how to approach people, how to live with the people, Madam. I remember I taught this in different occasions. The first government of India is the only NDA government. We met the ministers from the state, we give a letter to the government of India. Within 1 week, we get reply from the respective minister. It really shows the responsible, the respectable to the state leaders, Madam. And also maybe the only NDA government's union cabinet minister who really visit frequently to our state. And also the northern eastern state. Like this last few days when Gadgari come to witness some of the program in Shillong, it seemed that more than 700 ministers visited on this state within this short span. It's really appreciated. And before, Madam, for the last 10-15 years, the world's government of India is very far from us. Government of India seems so far, but now government of India is coming to us. Let us give a big round of applause. So this shows that you are really just fought for the people. And the beauty is that you never come whether a big state or small state. You think of simple manner. And I would like to express this. Union ministers keep coming every now and then. This is really make us happy, make us more responsible, give us more sincerity in the work that we have performed. And from my side, I would not want to speak much because we would like to give time to you because we are local leader from here. So Madam will give time to you, and especially for me as Deputy Chief Minister of the state, and especially from this region, we really feel proud. Your coming here is uncountable blessing for us. So thank you so much, Madam. We need so much development, but hopefully, I would request, I know that you always remember Meghalaya by heart. So thank you so much, Madam. Please go on.
Shri Harji, my colleague in the complex West Jnkk district on this special occasion. Today is a district as we gather not only to interact with the future leaders of our nation, the student and youth of Meghalaya, but also to witness the inauguration of the Jingnoh Road, a project that will significantly improve connectivity and strengthen economic opportunities for our people. On behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of West Jnkk Hills, I extend our sincere gratitude to the government of India under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for its continuous support and commitment toward the development of Meghalaya. Through various initiatives in infrastructure, education, sport, connectivity, digital services, rural development, and youth empowerment, the partnership between the center and the state has brought a meaningful change to the life of our citizens. We are especially honored the presence of the Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharam ji. Her visit reflects the Government of India's commitment to listening to and engage directly with the youth and people of the Northeast. We are deeply thankful for her support toward the development and aspiration of Meghalaya. Today's program also provides an opportunity to celebrate the legacy of Untiang Nanga, one of the greatest freedom fighters of the Northeast and a proud son of Jnkk. His courageous resistance against the colonial rule in the 19th century remains a shining example of patriotism, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to justice. The institution named in his honor, Gyeongnam Government College, carries forward his legacy by nurturing generation of young minds and responsible citizens. The student gathered here today, I encourage you to draw inspiration from Ukyang Nangba, courage, resilience, and leadership. The future of Meghalaya lies in your hand, and your ideas, talent, and determination will shape the progress of our state and our nation. As the Minister of Sport and Youth Affairs, I am particularly delighted to see so many young sportspersons present. Sport teach discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and excellent qualities that are equally important in life. Structure and opportunities that our youth can realize their full potential.